Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Nancy on both our Facebook group and this YouTube channel has asked a question, and she actually went over to our Facebook group and put the picture up there so I could see more what she wanted. She said, can you make a simple tutorial on that? And she had said earlier how to remove the bat out of this picture. She made something for her, I think a door, she said, and she just wants the moon. She doesn't want the bat. She said she took a square and put it behind the bat and tried to make it as one, but it won't do it. What am I doing wrong? All right, so let me get rid of this and this. By the way, make sure you join us over at Cricut Design Space with Patty Ann. The link's down below. So anyway, let's continue on. Okay, she said she had this image like this and she wants to get rid of the bat. There's two ways that she could do this easily. One way we haven't gone over yet in our basics, and I'll show that after. So the way she knows to do it right now is by using this tool. We're going to go over and get the shape tool. We're going to get the square. I'm going to move this square over. I'm going to click on this little lock so I can resize the square into a rectangle shape as I'd like it. Going to come over here and just really hide this bat. Okay, here's what she has to do next. She has to select the square, hold down her shift key, and select the moon. Remember, the rule is for slicing, there has to be two and only two things selected. And we can tell over here on the layers panel that two things have been selected. And I know over here there's one thing. I held down my shift key and got the other. So there are two things selected, and now I can slice. Now all I need to do is move this bat over and X him out, move this over, exit out, and move this over and exit out. And then she'll go to save it and save it as a new name in case that was a name that was already in her projects. So that's it. I hope that helps. But for those of you who want to know and don't think you'll get confused, here's another way she could have done it. So here we are over here. If you look in the layers panel, there's one layer with both of these things in it. I can select them, and I could come down here to the contour button. And what the contour does is it shows us all, and let me make this smaller a little bit. It shows us everything that's going to be cut. When I highlight over this, you can see the dark cut lines, right? And the dark cut lines. I don't want that bat to cut, so I'm going to go like that over him. And now he's not going to cut. Watch. I'm going to hit this X, and he's gone, as simple as that. So there's basically two ways to do it. You can use the slice tool, or you can use the contour tool. So that's it. Thanks. Bye, y'all.